Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to dual boot your Kali Linux with your current operating system. For that, first you have to download the .iso file of whichever version you want of your Kali Linux. So we will start with the process of downloading, and you can get this ISO image on official Kali Linux page. So just search for the version whichever you want of Kali Linux and select the link of the official page, and on that page you can get the other information related to that version, like how to install the screenshots they will show, and using those you can install or you can boot the Kali Linux in your system. So they give the lot of information about this Kali Linux. So we will go to downloads and we will click on the download Kali Linux. Right now they are showing the 2020.2, that is the latest version. And if you want the previous version, then you have to search for that and you can get that previous version too. So now we will fragment our disk because the Kali Linux will need some space. So we will go to our disk management, and this is a very important part because if you don't allocate any space, then it might get error while booting your Kali Linux to your system. So don't forget to do this process. Now you can see that unallocated space and allocated space. The allocated space is in the blue color and the unallocated space is in the black color. So you can just have to right click on the on that allocated space whichever you want to allocate to Kali Linux, and just delete that much volume, and you can get the free space for your Kali Linux. Now we have to use this Rufus named software to burn our ISO image on our USB drive. So I am using a pen drive to boot my Kali Linux. So you just have to open this Rufus. So select the pen drive and don't forget to select the proper ISO image, otherwise it will copy the different image and you will install the different and then it might be get error. So just start and here select the ISO image only, and it will format the your USB drive first and then it will start to copying of your ISO image. For this process you have to download this Rufus software so that you can easily or quickly you can burn your ISO image in your USB drive. in this way we have completed the copying process of image. Now we will check whether we have done it properly or not. So select your USB drive, and inside that if you can see the setup file, that means you have successfully copied that image. Then restart your system and go to your BIOS setting by using the function keys, and then select the system configuration, and inside that you can see the virtualization technology. Just enable that option if it disabled, and then save these changes and go to your boot manager so that we can go further process. And after going to boot manager, you have to select the USB drive in which you have copied that image, and then we will start with our configuration part. So now click on yes and then continue, and here again click on continue. So now if you have such media available, then click on no and continue. Select your keyboard type and then select the language which you want, and which country you belong to, select that country, and again continue for the next process. Now continue, select on do not configure the network at this time, and specify the name for your system. Now here it is a very important part for partitioning. So select the free space which we have unallocated in our Windows system, then finish this process. Then click on yes for partition the disk, and just follow this process, and it will take some time to continue this process. Set up the user and password, so you can set other users too rather than a root, and you have to specify the password too for that, and then select the softwares whichever you want to install. After this process, they will ask you for your username and password. After entering that, you will get this Kali Linux windows on your screen. It means we have successfully booted our Kali Linux on our system. So if you have any doubt related to this dual boot system, just ask me in my comment box. And thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos.